Welcome to the Keystone Module 2 training video for biology. In this training, you'll learn how to navigate the Keystone online testing system and practice using the tools you'll need for the actual exam. Go ahead and get comfortable, and we'll walk through everything step by step. Today you will practice using the Keystone online testing system. You can see here how the Keystone exams are organized by subject: biology, algebra 1, and literature. Each subject is assigned based on your grade level and whether you've already taken the exam. For this training, we're focusing specifically on biology, so everything you do will be preparing you for that experience. Step 1 is to access the website. At the end of this video, you can either click the Keystone training link located below or come back to this section of the video to copy and paste the web address into your browser. Take your time here. If the link doesn't work right away, just carefully type it in. Once you're on the site, you'll be ready for the next step. Step 2 is to select your subject. On the screen, you'll see several options. You want to choose science, which is the biology test. Make sure you select the correct subject before moving forward so you're practicing the right material. Now for step 3. Click on the biology button. This is where you officially enter the biology training environment, so double check that you click the correct option before continuing. Step 4 is to verify your information. Take a moment to review everything on the screen. You should see your name, the test name, and your school. This step is important because it confirms you're in the correct test. Once everything looks correct, you will go ahead and click Continue. Step 5 is to select the test. You'll see a page labeled Test Modules. Look for the link that says something like Biology OTT. You will click that link to begin your training test. Step 6 brings you to the Attention and Setup page. This page includes important testing rules and reminders. You will take a moment to read through it carefully. It explains that you should not copy or share any part of the test and that all materials are secure. When you're ready, you will click Continue to move forward. Step 7 is to review the instructions. You'll now see a directions screen with important testing rules. Be sure to read these carefully. If you need more information, use the More button at the bottom of the screen to scroll through all directions. This helps you understand exactly how the test works before you begin. You will then be ready to click Begin the Test button. Step 8 is where you actually complete the practice questions. As you work through them, pay attention to the practice hints. These will help you learn how to use the tools built into the test. Remember, this is practice. You do not need to get every answer correct. The goal is to learn how to use the testing tools effectively. You can expect between 8 to 15 questions depending on the subject you're practicing, so pace yourself and focus on learning. Once you finish the training, it's time for a quick check. Return to your course and complete the quick check activity. You'll need to score 80% or higher, so take your time and do your best.